Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today I want to Vector, be quiet. Hey Vector, go to sleep. Such a noisy little guy. Just does whatever he wants on all hours of the night. It's like he has a mind of his own. Weird, right? Back to where we were. Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today I want to talk about a product, a technology that is not new, but it's still extremely relevant. Here we are, winding down 2018. The technology here hasn't made these crazy advancements as far as I know of. However, it's still extremely useful and relevant now. With the holiday season coming up, you might be asking yourself, do I need this? Do I need to get it for other people as a gift? And the answer is yes. Stick around and find out exactly what gadget we're going to talk about today. Today I want to talk about the Tile Slim and the Tile Mate. And this is a combo pack that gives me two of each. That is right, a Slim and a Mate, two of each. I think that came out to about $59.99 over at Best Buy. No sale or anything. This little guy, this technology has saved me more times than I can even count. Going around frantically looking for my keys, looking for my wallet, looking for a bag. I've even put this in a bag before. I've even used my Tile to find my phone. Now, mind you, when I have technology such as my Apple Watch, I can just ping it. But there are times when I'm on an Android and I don't have my Apple Watch, and that's where it's going to come into play the most. Let's go ahead and take a look at the website and actually see what Tile has to offer. So here we are checking out their website on my iPad Pro, of course, and already from the very beginning we can see they've got some sales. They've got the Final, they have a Pro combo pack with 8 tiles and an Echo Dot, and the original Mate. Now they have introducing the Tile Premium, which I did not get. So it talks about all the different things that you can do with the Tile, all the fun stuff. I just want to go ahead and just review the full product line with you guys right now today. So we have the Pro, which if we're taking a look here, we can see that we can buy one for $35 or two for $50. There's a little bit of a discount there. So the Pro is not the cheap one. Now, what exactly makes the Pro different from the rest? I'm not really too sure. Let's go ahead and take a look and just actually see this. Okay, our most powerful tracker ever with replaceable batteries. Limited time offer, purchase the Tile Pro Combo 8 pack and get a free Echo Dot. So the Pro has a replaceable battery, which extends the life of it, which means after the battery's dead in these, they get thrown out, they get completely replaced. The Pro, you can replace your battery. So that, now that I know that, it's actually worth the extra, I think, $15 per tile, knowing to buy a new one cost me $20. But I also don't get the benefit of having the Slim or the Mate. The Pro is a little bit thicker because it does have to case a battery. Most likely a watch battery, probably a pretty small one. Now we have the Mate, which we're going to go ahead and review today as well. So the Mate has a replaceable battery, which I did not know, so this is definitely good news for us. The Mate has a replaceable battery, so it's more versatile than ever. So there's 2 Mates and 2 Slims in here. So a new Mate is $25 or a 4-pack. For $60, saving 40% right now, because it seems that there is a sale going on. There's an amazing sale going on. I'm actually probably, now that I see this, I'm going to take advantage. I'm going to buy some of these because I typically buy a handful of these and give them out for Christmas, and this just makes it even better. Saves me some money. Now, the Mate has the hole in it, so that can connect to your keys easy peasy, as I like to say. But the Slim is for something else. The Slim is to put on the back of your iPad Pro, to connect it somewhere to your camera, to put in your camera bag, to put in your book bag, to put in your wallet, to put in your purse, to put in your friend's wallet, to put in your friend's purse. Huh? Keep track of her, know where she's at all times. That's not creepy, is it? It's a little creepy. It's okay though. No. So let's go ahead and check out the price of the Slim. So one pack of Slim is $30, or you can get 4 right now for $100. Saves you $20. That doesn't feel like the greatest deal. It does seem that the Slims are the most expensive ones, and you cannot replace the battery on the Slim. And then they have the Slim Mate Combo Pack, and that's what we're gonna dig into today in just a minute. Hang tight. Now, I believe, like I said, I paid $59 at Best Buy for this. I saved a penny shopping at Best Buy versus buying it directly from Tile themselves. So the website for the Tile is thetileapp.com. So check that out. You can save some money if you're doing some of the combo packs. You don't save any money with this pack buying at Best Buy, but you also get points if you buy at Best Buy. I'm not really endorsing Best Buy. I just shop there because I love to get the points, and it's like free money. So that's basically the whole lineup for the Tiles. So here in our little screen record here, we have a couple different things that we're going to go ahead and look at. The Pros, the Mates, and the Slims. It breaks it down: the color, the battery type, the range, the volume, and the dimensions, and of course the weight. We want to know how heavy are these things. And we can see the Slim is the lightest. It has the shortest range, and it also has the quietest volume. So when it comes to that, you got to realize what you're getting when it comes to the Slim, right? You're getting convenience and portability. But if you step it up to the Mate, you're going to get a replaceable battery, 150 feet range, which is super uber important, and you get 1.5 times the normal volume. So it's louder than the Slim. Also, it's a little lighter. The Mate is actually 7 grams with a replaceable battery, and the Slim is 9.3 grams, but the surface area of it is larger. We'll actually see them in just a moment. Hold on. Now we're going to move on to the Pro. You get color options, black and white, which is good. Again, year replaceable battery, 300 feet range. So this is something good for your book bag, for your wallet, for your camera bag. That's what the Pro is good for. It has 3 times the volume, right? 300 feet range, and 15.5 grams. So it's definitely double the size of the Mate, and it's definitely a lot heavier than the Slim. Now that we've had a chance to go ahead and just briefly review those, I want to go ahead and open this up and actually take a look at the different sizes of them, and then set them up on the phone and show you exactly how they work. So hold on while we go ahead and change the camera direction. Hey Vector, fist bump. So here it is. Nothing really too exciting about the box or the packaging. Nothing to really speak of. You know, we already reviewed everything. Now we just want to get into it and actually see one in action. And this is what you're gonna want to know before you actually decide to buy this for yourself or a gift for someone else. The question is, do I need this, and how does it work? And that is what we want to answer for you today. It says, together we find. Isn't that lovely? So here's the difference. We have a Slim and we have a Mate. They stacked them on top, so we got 2 of each. So I will set that aside. So let's look at the difference between these. Here's the Slim, size of it. Here's the Mate. And it's got that on the back, most likely to get the battery out. what we do is we start off by getting the Tile app on our phone. So let's go ahead and do that first. One of the things to mention is it's that over 1,100 people are currently actively using Tile, which is pretty amazing when you actually think about it. So to add a tile, you come over here, you click on Add Tile, and it actually asks you what you are looking to add. It looks like there's actually other devices that you can now add as part of this app, which I didn't know, so that is actually pretty cool that that came in. So click the logo once to begin activation. So let's go ahead and do that together. Click it once to begin activation, and it looks like it came right up. This is a pretty cool tile, and what we're actually going to do is we're going to throw this in our bag. So we're going to call it our backpack. Tap to find or ring your tile. So there you go. That's the sounds. That's what it makes. So you take that and you put it in your backpack and it's good to go. So now it's done. So we can make it stop finding it. Easy peasy. Here is our other tile. Now we're going to come over here and we can actually change the ringtone. All right, so we're updating it. We're going to change the ringtone in there so that way not everything sounds the same. Now we also have a thing where we can add a phrase to find your other with your voice. So let's do that. Find my wallet. Find my wallet. Easy peasy, super done. So now let's give it a try. Hey Siri, find my wallet.
Tile says, wallet is nearby. I'm ringing it now.
Click on it and it's found. Easy peasy. So that's another new little feature. I'll go ahead and set that up for my backpack later, so that will be pretty awesome. And I think that is everything for this little video in this demonstration. So one thing that we didn't highlight is if I can't find my phone, I can use my tile to ring my phone, and my phone obviously makes a louder noise. So this technology, it's old, it's not new, but it's amazing, it's phenomenal. If you don't have Tile in your life, you need to get it. My goal is that someone is going to do a Google search, a YouTube search. You're going to find my video and you're going to actually see how this works in action. It serves two functions: to help you find your things and to help you find your phone. And there's a social aspect to it that other people with the Tile app on their phone can also help you find your stuff and get notified if your tile's been picked up or seen anywhere around the neighborhood, which is a big giant thumbs up. Love the technology, love the product. Thinking about getting one, go ahead and buy one. I'm just sharing this with you because it's helped me in my life. It has saved me countless hours probably looking for things. Little button, little click, saves a whole lot of time. Totally worth it. Big thumbs up from me. For the Love of Tech is always doing a giveaway. We have a giveaway coming up this upcoming week on Sunday. That is correct. Sunday, December 16th. Keep your ears to the ground and your eyes peeled to Twitter and Facebook and your email looking for the announcements for the exact time of when we're going to launch. Gleam link is in the description. Go ahead and get all your entries, have some fun. And if you've been doing this with me for a while and you want to get some old school entries, let me go ahead and get a Roman numeral 7863 dash and tell me why you love the Tile. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you think it's outdated technology that doesn't belong in our life? I want to know what your thoughts and your opinions are. For the Love of Tech, go in your drawers, go in your closet, go under your bed, go behind your refrigerator, pull out those old electronics, dust them off, shine them up, give them to someone that doesn't have them, put a smile on someone's face, and for the Love of Tech, namaste. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you also have been doing this a while with me and you want to go ahead and get some social media shares, go ahead and take this video and share it to all your social media platforms. Take a screenshot, multiple screenshots, one email, send them to me, and I'll give you additional entries into the giveaway. That's right, for every social media share, you'll get additional entry into the giveaway. Send those screenshots to contact me at the number 4theloveoftech.com. Again, for the love of tech. Namaste.